Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by parking the Honda Accord on level ground and engaging the parking brake. You will work around electrical connectors and delicate plastic. Disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10 mm wrench before starting work. Remove any loose items from the console and set a cloth to protect surfaces. Use a plastic trim tool about 3-5 inches wide to avoid scratching trim. Have a 10 mm socket, 8 mm socket, Phillips #2, and small container for fasteners ready. Wear gloves and safety glasses and note panel clip locations as you go. Start removal by shifting to park and turning the ignition off. You will access trim clips and bolts. Unclip the shift boot trim by pulling gently at the rear clips, then slide the boot up over the shifter. Pry up the front storage tray and remove any screws, then remove two 10 mm bolts under the front storage tray to free the cover. Lift the console cover slightly and locate the center console harness connector. Disconnect the center console harness connector by pressing the tab and pulling down. Set the old cover aside. Position the replacement center console cover over the console and align the mounting tabs and clip posts carefully to avoid breaking plastic. Align the new cover and snap rear clips in place before tightening bolts. You should hear firm clicks. Lower the front storage tray to access the bolt holes, then reinstall the two 10 mm bolts under the front tray and torque hand tight until snug. Reconnect any electrical connectors and test switches and lights. Reinstall the shift boot and trim, clear tools, and reconnect the negative battery terminal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.